everyone, and welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to be walking through how to download the Iqiyi TV app on Roku TV. Now let's say you want to enjoy your 1080p with Iqiyi TV, high definition, smooth experience. You want to be able to switch titles and also enjoy double Atmos home theater experience. What you do is, don't forget we're using the Roku TV. What you need to do is install it by searching for it. How? Enter the home page of Roku TV, slide down to the search bar and click to enter. So you choose Iqiyi, search for Iqiyi, and when you find it, just download the app like this, and then see yeah. So once you download the app, after successfully downloading the app, you're going to find the Iqiyi app at the end of the application list on your home page. And once you find it, click on it, and that's it. Start watching. So hope you found this video helpful.